Hi guys, welcome to Gold Price Daily Analysis. Today is Thursday, 18th of April 2019. This video is brought to you by the coach. Remember always, our job is to make you rich. If you are a new subscriber, welcome aboard and thank you for joining us. If not yet, please hit the subscribe button. If you are new to Gold Price Daily Analysis, we do urge you to watch our last two videos in order for you to get the best of this video. We will start our core analysis right after a quick recap. We have been waiting for economic data to be released from the United States, so we are going to start with the trade balance came above forecasts, and the exports and imports, both with medium importance, came as well above forecasts. For the gold price action on the last trading session on Wednesday, actually the gold recovery was capped with the level 1279. Then it headed back to 1273. And data from China gave a boost to the rally in the US equities, especially in Nasdaq. Moving on to the strategy recap, what we have said in our last episode, that we are going to sell at 1278.79 with a stop loss 1287 and a target of 1269 till 1261. That's all for the strategy recap. We'll move on now to the economic calendar. On the economic calendar for Thursday, we will start from the United Kingdom and we will be waiting for the following economic headers. We will be waiting for the retail sales month-to-month for March and the core retail sales month-to-month for March and retail sales, core retail sales year-to-year for March, all to be considered as market movers. Moving on from the United Kingdom to the major countries in the European Union, we will be waiting for the German PPI month-to-month for March and the German manufacturing and German service PMI for April, and the French services PMI and the manufacturing PMI for April. Moving on from the major countries in the European Union to the European Union as all, we are waiting for the following economic headers: manufacturing PMI for April and the services PMI for April, and the market composite PMI for April with medium importance. Moving on from the European Union to the United States, it's a big day and we are waiting for the following economic headers. We will be waiting for the retail sales month-to-month for March and the core retail sales month-to-month for March and the Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index, all to be considered as market movers, plus other important economic headers. It's not mentioned here. Moving on now to the technical indicators. On the last trading session on Wednesday, we have had a trading range from 1273 to 1279. Numbers are rounded and the market is still open. For the close price, gold spot is expected to close above 1273. Please watch for this because the gold is hanging there around 1273 and under pressure. For the moving averages, it's for the 20 days 1296, and for the 50 days 1304, and for the 100 days it's 1288, and for the 200 days it's 1250. We are above only the 200 days daily simple moving average and below the 20 days, 50 days, 100 days daily simple moving averages. For the RSI readings, the 1 hour is 38 bearish, but it's enhanced from the last session, and for the 4 hours it's 30 bearish enhanced and recovered from the oversold situation, and for the 1 day it's 35 bearish as well, also enhanced. We are totally under the hand of bears. For the supports and resistance, supports 1269, 1265, 1261, and for the resistance 1278, 1282, and 1285. That's all for the technical indicators. We'll move on now to the trading strategy. For the trading strategy, the trend is bearish and the price action is negative. We are below 20 days, 50 days, 100 days daily simple moving averages, and the US dollar is rising. What we have seen from the gold in the last trading session on Wednesday, that gold is still under pressure and being held most of the time at lows is not a good sign, and means in simple words that the bears are not letting go. One important technical indicator, that if gold closed today below 1275, this is an indication of a possibility of acceleration of the drop down toward 1260. For our advice, we remain in our sell position. Try to cover, this is a personal advice from me to you, try to cover half or more of your position, sell position around 1269 to 1270, and risk the little left toward 1260. Once we reach to that level to 1260 and between 1255 and 1265, we are going to build up a long position, and we are going to discuss the reasons behind this move once we reach there and check the technical view again in that area. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching, and please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow in another video.